In the last video, I showed you how to get rid of these huge poison ivy vines that are attached to a tree. Today, I'm going to show you how to identify regular poison ivy vines that are growing on the ground or growing up into a bush or a foundation, right here on the Everyday Man. Hey, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button for me, okay? Thanks. I'm going to show you this poison ivy that is actually going down into this well, the window well. Here we are at the top of the hill. Here's the window well. You can't mistake those shiny, waxy leaves, reddish green color. That's a perfect example of poison ivy. There's another prime example right down here. This is a mature poison ivy plant. Notice the long stem on the middle leaf and the notch on the side of each leaf. The bare spot of ground back here used to be 12-foot tall bushes that were growing side by side, bunched up. I'm sure they had poison ivy in them. We pulled the bushes out with an excavator last year, and now I'm going to show you in the grass where new poison ivy vines are starting to grow because the bushes are gone, but we never killed the poison ivy. Let's take a quick walk around this area. So here's a couple right here. This is a good example. Let me zoom in on it. This is wild berry or bramble. It's got 3 leaves, but look at how wrinkled and textured they are. Definitely not poison ivy. You can see a vine right in the center of the screen here. It's laying out on the surface, and wouldn't you know it, if we follow that vine, there is the tiniest little poison ivy coming out of that vine right there. Let's take a look down the line. Yep, here's another one. And there's a nice looking one. This area in the center is in the actual grass. Now there's some weeds in there, but I found a huge, uh, a huge area of poison ivy hidden in the grass. You can see the little reddish leaves on there. In my next video, I'm going to show you a mixture of chemical that will absolutely kill this poison ivy, but it will not kill the grass. Hey, as I'm standing here, here's a great angle of a look at it coming up there all over. That's incredible. It is just multiplying like crazy, and that's all reddish color, which means it's all brand new growth. So again, we're going to get rid of that really quickly. This is a beautiful pine tree that's seen better days. This is loaded with poison ivy. I'm not getting any closer than this. That is a very mature poison ivy vine. You see the way the leaves are solid green, but that poison ivy is going all over that tree. We got to get rid of that for sure. Well, we're at the back of the house. This is the sunroom. If you just bend down, these look like easy pickings. You could grab these weeds and pull them out, right? Now, some of these, you will see, do not have 3 leaves. These heart-shaped leaves are a lilac bush. But look what happens if you decide to grab them and pull them out. Look what's hiding underneath it. That's right, you just grabbed a handful of poison ivy. I thought I'd end the video standing in front of one of our beautiful trees in the backyard. There's no poison ivy in this one. So I hope this video helped you out. I think you'll agree that now you see the difference between the different types of plants. I can't stress this enough. Even if you think it's not poison ivy, if it's got 3 leaves on it, why take a chance? Make sure you wear safety protection, right? Put your gloves on. I like disposable gloves because once you get the oil on them, you take them off and throw them out. Yeah, poison ivy isn't something to be afraid of. It's something you have to be careful with. And with that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.